Sa bidyong ito guys, susubukan natin tiposan ang laban sa loob ng 10 minuto gamit si Mia.
Launch attack! An enemy has been slain! An enemy has been slain! You can't run from my arrow.
Tamang call lang muna tayo dito, para magka-item tayo.
My arrow is my answer. An enemy has been slain. The enemy has slain the turtle. Ally has been launch attack. The way of the arrow. Swift.
Papalidin ko sana sila, pero hindi ko pa kaya.
The forest might burn, the moon may be dark, but our hope outlives everything. The forest is on my watch when the moon is shrouded in darkness.
At dito guys, muntik na ako mapitis, mabuti na lang wise tayo, kaya nakatakbo.
Our turret has been destroyed. Killing spree! The gentle moonlight heals my wounds. Double kill! The way of the hunter. Modern, respectful, and sincere. For Azria, our last homeland.
Sinubukan akong ititin ng panda, pero nakatakbo pa ako.
May the moon forever shine upon us. Request backup.
Nakipaglaro ako sa kanila dito, ng haboran pero nahuli nila ako, tatlo kasi sila humahabol sa akin.
Stop them all. Shut down. Enemy double kill. An enemy turret is under attack. Double kill. Until the new moon graces us again, my fight carries on. The moonlight spares no mercy to the foes of Azria. An enemy has slain the turtle. Watch your back.
Dali lang ba? Mapipikas ko si Franco dito, iniwan kasi siya ng panda na kasama niya.
You have slain an enemy. Our turret is under attack. Wise choice. Our turret has been destroyed.
Habang iniubos ko ang minions dito, hindi ko napansin si Claude nandito pala siya kaya napatay ko siya na parang lamok. Ano?
My aim is true.
Bigla Bigla naman na may sumulpot dito na panda, at kasama niya pala si Franco, kaya napauwi namin sila sa base, pero napites din ako ni Claude.
Triple kill. Shut down. Enemy
Saan ka?
triple kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
Bili ka, men? Hindi na pala sa butika.
I'm ready to re-enter the battle. Ally has been slain. The forest might burn, the moon may be dark, but our hope outlives everything. Trespassers will not be tolerated. Killing spree!
Naka-item na ako, kaya hindi na ako takot sa clash, kaya dito guys nakapitas ako dito ng 3.
Slain and double kill! Killing spree! Bow before the glory of the moon goddess. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Your team destroyed a turret. A tactical retreat. Ally has been slain. The way of the hunter. Mega kill! Moderate, respectful, and sincere. Request backup! An enemy has been slain. Coratria, our last homeland. The gentle moonlight heals my wounds. Your team destroyed a turret. You can't run from my arrows. Mega kill! Double kill! May the moon have mercy on you. Your team destroyed a turret! The way of the arrow. Swift, silent, and precise. Enemy has slain Lord. Your team destroyed the turret. Unstoppable. An enemy has been slain.
Matatapos na namin ang laban sa loob ng 10 manoga. Basta focus lang sa misyon. Salamat sa panunood. Please follow, like, and share.
The moonlight spares no mercy to the foes of Asgard.
Manok ka ng daan.
Victory!